on my way out to work. Got myself a little package here. I ain't got time to open it right now. But
5 minutes later.
I had a chance to stop for a minute, so crack this thing open. Let's not wait too much longer. I'm anxious for this one, man. I've been waiting for this one for a minute. This one came like a full month and maybe a few days. We're just gonna really get into it. Rip this thing open. Alright. Yeah. You see what it is? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, I got plans for this one. Got big plans for this one. We're just gonna go in from the side here. Right. That's what we got. That's what we working with here. Kiki Beauty World. Yes, sir. This is the Plus. NG 103 Plus. That's what this model is. Look around the box first. High power motor. This one says 60 up to 65 RPMs. A little metal switch and the metal click lever with the fade blade or wedge blade, I like to say. Comes with the USB cables, which is a big plus for me. That's my thing. And it's by New Game. Go ahead, get this thing cracked. Yeah, looks good. First view of it looks real nice. See, other edition, the older edition, doesn't have this grippiness. Doesn't have the metal levers or the metal switch. Ooh, see, got that good crunch blade technology, not staggered tooth. Alright, not bad. What is that? Oh, it's some oil. Okay. Thought it was melted plastic. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Not bad, not bad. You can tell it has some power to it. This one doesn't have a big indicator. It just has the, it doesn't have an LCD display, but it does have an indicator light. I can get that thing to focus right. Come on, focus for me. There we go. A little bit. Nice. Yeah, I got some plans for this. This is going to be a nice customization piece right here. Yeah, be looking out for it, man. Stay tuned to your boy. And until next time, let's end this, baby.
Some like when sunlight become night, sweet like peaches and plums in the summer. Got myself a winner, everybody's sprung. Raindrops falling all over my tongue. Some like when sunlight become night, sweet like peaches and plums in the summer. Got myself a winner, everybody's sprung. Raindrops falling on the tip of my tongue. October child, the autumn glow floating now. Smile even when I'm supposed to frown. Float with the boats even when I'm supposed to drown. Folks, this dope supposed to sound. Enemies that get roped and doped around. Every day I feel the Father closer now.